My name is Diana Medina, and I help people's dreams come true. Real estate for me is my passion. It's what I've been doing for over 20 years. I recently had buyers, they're friends of mine. They came to me because they wanted to buy a very big property. And they needed to sell, they needed to buy. They have 2 young children, a little girl, 4 years old, and a little boy, 1.5. So she told me, I cannot leave my family homeless. I have to make this decision. And normally my course of action is let's sell then buy. But we're in a market where buying is a little tough right now. It's a little competitive. So you know what? Let's do this backwards. And let's find you your house first. Let's make sure, and there was times we put many offers, and many offers didn't, strong offers, and they didn't get accepted. You know, she started to lose hope, and I said, look, the minute we find you your house and we're under contract, 5 minutes later, we put your house on the market and we'll sell it. And that's exactly what we did. We got it done. We closed. It was a simultaneous, same day, sold her house in the morning, bought her house in the afternoon. Everyone was happy, and I see her on social media all the time. I see their kids swimming in the pool, the husband barbecuing, they're growing in their garden, and they are happy as can be. So those are the things that make me very happy. My name is Diana Medina with Real Estate Salesforce, and I'm happy to help you find your spot.